If you're a freelancer right now, AI probably feels like a threat. It can write, it can design, it can analyze data. So naturally, the question becomes, will AI replace freelancers? I don't think so. I think the freelancers who win in the next 5 years will combine these three things. Number one, domain expertise. Number two, Lean Six Sigma thinking. And number three, AI. If you combine these three, you become extremely hard to replace. Let me show you how this works. The first piece is domain expertise. Many freelancers underestimate this. When you're starting out, it's tempting to position yourself as someone who can do a bit of everything. But freelancers who earn the most usually do the opposite. They solve one type of problem in one specific industry. For example, instead of saying, I help businesses improve their processes, you might say, I help e-commerce businesses reduce their order fulfillment delays. See the difference? Now you're not just a freelancer, you're a specialist. If you're not sure of what your domain expertise is, I built a simple tool to help you figure it out. The link is in the comment box if you want to try it. It connects your skills, experience, and industries so you can see where your biggest leverage is. Once you know your domain, the next advantage is how you solve problems. This is where Lean Six Sigma becomes powerful. Lean Six Sigma gives you a structured way to improve things. Instead of guessing, you define the problem, analyze the root causes, test solutions, and improve the process. This is incredibly valuable for freelancers because clients come to you with messy situations, vague problems, unclear requirements, broken workflows. Lean Six Sigma helps you bring clarity to chaos. In my freelancing work, this mindset helped me set clear goals with clients, make data-driven decisions, and continuously improve the way I deliver results. And clients value freelancers who deliver that kind of structure. Now we add the third piece, AI. AI dramatically increases your speed. You can use it for research, idea generation, analysis, automation, and even building small tools. But AI alone is not a competitive advantage. Anyone can use it. The real advantage comes when AI is guided by expertise and structured thinking. If you know the domain and you know how to solve problems, AI becomes your multiplier. You move faster, you test ideas quicker, you deliver better outcomes. So the formula looks like this. Domain expertise, you understand the industry. Lean Six Sigma, you know how to solve problems. AI, you increase your speed and leverage. Combine these three and you become a freelancer who is extremely hard to replace. If you want to start building this advantage, begin by identifying your domain expertise. I built a free tool that can help you with that. The link is in the comment box. And if you're interested in using Lean Six Sigma to become a more effective freelancer, consider subscribing. Because freelancing isn't just about finding clients. It's about building skills that make you valuable anywhere in the world.